You'll also need insurance. And this is one organization that does insurance. It's called jmginsurance.co.uk. You'll need to ensure that you've got the relevant cover, which is 5 million, for example. Sometimes the contract may say 2 million, but I've always gone with 5 million because you never know what contract you're going to be applying for. And my insurance was also that I applied for was 10 million because I wanted to be a premium supplier as well. Okay, so you need to think about employer's liability, professional indemnity, and public liability. Although you may have nurses that have got professional indemnity, you still need to have that even though you are an organization, because you are supplying staff under your organization's, structure, not the self-employed contractor. For example, you have got the contract with the buyer, so you must have the relevant insurance in place, and they'll also tell you what insurance that you need to have. So staff compliance, you need to make sure that your staff are compliant. You won't get any work otherwise. And the key is to do what they want you to do and have staff that are compliant, for example. And they need to be high caliber staff members as well, because that's how you get the work. So compliance systems ensures that the medical and care staff can only be selected for work once they have completed a detailed registration process. All relevant employment training, DBS checks and references are confirmed by the agency, and the staff work record is checked again for each assignment. Without this validation, the candidate is unable to work. So you've got to look at the employment history and references. They have to be up to date, the CVs. Any gaps need to be explained. References, details from 2 most recent employers, for example, recent placements, verification of identity and right to work. Copy of passport, including a copy of front and back cover, proof of current address, 2 passport size photographs, proof of national insurance number, for example, DBS checks. What DBS checks have they had? Is it enhanced? Also, is it current? Is it within date? And is it an original copy that you've seen, for example? Mandatory training. What mandatory training have they had? And it needs to be up to date as well. When you apply for contracts, they will have a section about compliance and things like that. But also think about what is your methodology for your organization. What staff members are you providing? What type of staff members are you providing? And what number of hours are you able to supply per month, for example, for each staff member?